linear equations. So before telling me which is that method, here pay attention. Suppose here you have an equation, x plus y is equal to 3. Now this equation I can represent in two ways. Just like y is equal to 3, this x I will transfer on right hand side, so it will become y is equal to 3 minus x. One form. For the second form, suppose x I will keep as it is and I can write 3 minus y. So y will get transferred on right hand side. So same equation I can represent in the form of y as well as in the form of x. So to this particular transportation, our second method is related, and it is method of elimination by substitution. Method of elimination by substitution. Yesterday we have studied last time we have studied method of elimination by equating the variables. Now this is the method of elimination by substitution. Now what is this method? Suppose, let us take one example. Question is asked, solve. Two equations are given. 2x plus 3y is equal to 11 and 2x minus y is equal to minus 1. These two equations we have to solve. Definitely these two are simultaneous equations. So suppose this is my equation number 1, this is my equation number 2. So how to solve? For equation number 2, what I can do, I will represent my equation number 2 by this form. Means I can equate this equation for y. Suppose here 2x minus 1 I can bring on right hand side. So it will be plus 1, and this minus 1 I can transfer on right hand side. So y will be 2x plus 1. So this is my equation number 3, which I have derived from equation number 2. So now you can see I have two equations. 2x plus 3y is equal to 11, which is my equation number 1, and y is equal to 2x plus 1, which is my equation number 3. Now for solving these two equations, now we can directly substitute this value of y in equation number 1. So let us write substituting y is equal to 2x plus 1 in equation 1. So let us rewrite the equation 1. 2x plus 3y is equal to 11. Now pay attention. So 2x as it is plus 3 as it is, and instead of y I am substituting 2x plus 1 is equal to 11. So 2x plus, multiply the bracket with 3. So 3 2s are 6x plus 3 1s are 3 is equal to 11. So 2x plus 6x, 8x, and this plus 3 will be get subtracted from 11. So you will have 8. So now you can see we will directly get the value of x here. So x will be 8 upon 8. So x is equal to 1. Very simple. No need to add or subtract the equation. No need to equate the variables. Very simple. Just we have to derive the equation in the form of y, or we can also derive the equation in the form of x, just like this, and we can substitute in the other equation and we will get the value directly. So here we got our x. Now we can substitute this value of x in any of the equation. So suppose I will substitute in equation number 3 because I want y. So I have the value of y here in the form of x. So substituting x in equation 3. So rewrite the equation y is equal to 2x plus 1. So y is equal to 2. Instead of x I will write 1 plus 1. So you can see 2 ones are 2 plus 1 3. Very simple. Now I have my x as well as y. So here we will write x is equal to 1 comma y is equal to 3 is the solution of given equations. Very simple. So here in this way we solved our first example. Now let us move to our next example. Second example, suppose I will start it from here. In this also we have to solve two equations. Equations are 3x minus 5y is equal to 16, and second equation we have x minus 3y is equal to 8. Again I will name it as 1 and 2. So now you can see actually in both the equations only in the second equation x have coefficient 1. So it is easy to represent this equation in the form of x. So what I can do, x is equal to directly I can write 8 as it is, and this minus 3y will get added on right hand side. So after arranging the terms, x is equal to 3y plus 8. This is my equation number 3. So now I will substitute this value of equation in equation number 1. So let us have a look. Substituting x in equation 1. So rewrite the equation. 3x minus 5y is equal to 16, and instead of now x we will write 3y plus 8 is equal minus 5y as it is equal to 16. So multiply the bracket with 3. 3 3s are 9y plus 8 3s are 24 minus 5y is equal to 16. So 9y minus 5y, so 4y is equal to 16 as it is. This plus 24 will get subtracted on right hand side. So now you can see 4y is equal to, after subtraction what you will get, 8 here, but it will be minus since we are subtracting bigger number. So y will be 4 1s are 4, 4 2s are 8. So minus 2 here is the value of y. Now to obtain the x, we can substitute in equation number 3. So let us write substituting in equation 3. So x is equal to 3y plus 8. So x is equal to 3 into minus 2 plus 8. So x is equal to 3 to the 6, but minus 6 plus 8. So 6 minus 8 minus 6, x you will get it as 2. So now you can see we got both the values, x as well as y. So lastly you will mention x is equal to 2, y is equal to minus 2 is the solution of the given two equations. So I hope you understand. We will solve more examples based on this method only. example based on this method only. Now here you can see actually all the variables x and y have different coefficients, but which is the smaller coefficient? You can see 2 is the smaller coefficient. So what we will do here, pay attention. Here I will rewrite this equation. Suppose this is my equation number 2 and this is my equation number 3. So equation number 2 I will rewrite here, and now since 2 is the smallest coefficient here, we can derive this equation in the form of x. So 2x as it is, so 3y will get added, so 10 plus 3y. Then 2x is equal to, I can write 3y plus 10, variable first, so x will be 3y plus 10 upon 2. So I got the value of x like this. Now this is my equation number 3. So let us substitute. So substituting x is equal to 3y plus 10 upon 2 in equation number 1, because we have derived equation number 3 by using equation number 2. So we will substitute in equation number 1. So equation number 1 is 3x minus 4y is equal to 16. So 3 as it is, instead of x we will write 3y plus 10 upon 2 minus 4y is equal to 16. What we can do, we can multiply the full equation by 2 so that this 2 will get cancelled. So let's see, I will write multiplying equation by 2 on both sides. So here we will get 3 into 2 in the bracket 3y plus 10 upon 2 minus 2 into 4y is equal to 16 into 2. So what you can see, this 2 will get cancelled and we can have 3 in the bracket 3y plus 10 minus 4 to the 8y is equal to 16 to the 32. So multiply 3 3 is 9y plus 3 10 is 30 minus 8y is equal to 32. So 9y minus 8y, so 1y, you need to write 1, and here 32, this plus 30 will get subtracted and y you will get, yeah, it was 32, so after subtraction y you will get 2. So you can see easily we got the value of y here. Now we can substitute this value of y in equation number 3, so we will get x directly. So substituting y in equation 3. So rewrite equation number 3. It is x is equal to 3y plus 10 upon 2. So I can substitute. So 3 instead of y I will substitute 2 plus 10 upon 2. So x is equal to 3 to the 6. 6 plus 10, 16. So 16 upon 2. I will write it here. So 8. So we got the value of x also. So while writing the answer we will write x is equal to 8 comma y is equal to 2 is the solution of given equations. Very simple. So I hope you understand how to solve these kind of equation. Now based on this method only we have our next exercise. That exercise we will solve here. So let us solve exercise number 4.2. based on this method of substitution only. In this exercise, the question is solve the following simultaneous equations by using method of substitution. So here is the first example which we have to solve. Now you can see in this example all the variables have coefficients other than 1 except x in the second equation. So firstly, let us name them two equations. So I can say this is equation number 1, this is equation number 2. So let us solve this. I will rewrite equation number 2. X minus 5y is equal to 11. So directly by transferring, find this 5y on right hand side, we can find the equation in the form of x. So 11 minus 5y will plus 5y. So x is equal to 5y plus 11. So this is my equation number 3 here. So I will write substituting x in equation, which equation? Equation number 1. So rewrite equation number 1, it is 2x plus 3y is equal to minus 4. So 2 instead of x, 5y plus 11 plus 3y is equal to minus 4. So we will multiply the bracket with 2. So 5 2s are 10y plus 2 11s are 22 plus 3y is equal to minus 4. So now 10y plus 3y. So it will be 13y and minus 4 as it is, and this plus 22 on right hand side will get subtracted. So 13y is equal to 12 means 22 plus 4. So minus 26. Why minus? Because both the numbers have similar sign. So both the numbers will get added but their sign will come. So it will be minus 26. So y will be minus 26 upon 13. So 13 ones are 13, 13 twos are 26. So y is equal to minus 2. We got y here. To obtain x, we will substitute this y in equation number 3. So substituting y in equation 3. So x is equal to, I will rewrite the equation, x is equal to 5y plus 11. So x is equal to 5, instead of y minus 2 will there plus 11. So x is equal to 5 2s are 10 but minus 10 because 2 is negative. So 11 minus 10. So x is equal to 1. So now you can see we got both the values x and y. So while writing you will write x is equal to 1, y is equal to minus 2 is the solution of given equations. Very simple. Now let us solve the next example.
A lot of students waste their precious time watching cartoons, movies, reality shows on TV. Then they waste their time on social networking sites. When the students sit to study, they are unable to concentrate to get your studies finished, and they get low marks in exams. Parents shell out tons of money from their pockets for coaching classes. But who knows what is taught in these classes? Teachers at times get bugged up when you ask them questions. YouTube has a lot of information but little of use. This is where Study Spectrum TV channel comes in picture. Every chapter explained by different teachers with different examples and repeat telecasts. We remember 20% of the audio ads we hear, 30% of the printed items we see. But we remember 70% of the audio visuals. That is why video teaching is a powerful medium to learn. After watching Study Spectrum TV channel, you get a peaceful sleep with no tensions and no worries. You devote less time towards your studies and you get better marks in your exams. Visit us on www.studyspectrum.com. Follow us on Facebook. So what are you waiting for? Subscribe for Study Spectrum TV channel and keep edifying.
Now second example we have minus x plus 2y is equal to 0, 10x plus 15y is equal to 105. So let us name them equation number 1 and equation number 2. Now you can see only x here have no coefficient, means only one coefficient we have actually. So let us solve this equation. We can write from equation 1. What I will do, I will transfer this minus x on right hand side, so it will become plus x. So actually we will get 2y is equal to x, but we can interchange the side. So directly I will write x is equal to 2y, and this is my equation number 3. So we will substitute this in equation number 2. Why we are substituting in 2? Because equation 3 we got from equation number 1. So the equation 3 is nothing but the different form of equation 1 only. So we will substitute this in equation number 2. So here I will write substituting x is equal to 2y in equation 2. So I will rewrite equation number 2, 10x plus 15y is equal to 105. So 10 instead of x, 2y plus 15y is equal to 105. So 10 into 2, it will be 20y plus 15y is equal to 105. So 20 plus 15. So 35y is equal to 105. So y is equal to 105 upon 35. So let us divide it by 5 first. 5 sevens are, then 5 twos are, and 5 ones are. So again 7 ones are 7, 7 threes are 21. So y is equal to 3. We got our first value here. So we will substitute this y in equation number 3. So substituting y in equation 3. So what is my equation number 3? X is equal to 2y. So x is equal to 2 into 3. So x is equal to 6. We got x also. So here we will write x is equal to 6, comma y is equal to 3 is the solution of given equations. Very simple. So here we completed our second example. Third example we have 4p is equal to 3q plus 5 and p minus q is equal to 7 by 6. So looking at the first equation, you will see that we have directly p is equal to 3q plus 5. But you can see p have 4 coefficients. So we can't substitute p from equation 1. In order to substitute, we have to transfer this 4 on right hand side. So it will get complicated. But in the second equation, you can see we can obtain p or q directly. So just have a look. This is my equation number 1. This is equation number 2. So p minus q is 7 by 6, right? So directly I can write p is equal to, this q will get added. So q plus 7 by 6 I can write. So this is our equation number 3. So what we will say, substituting P is equal to Q minus 7 by 6 in equation number 1, because we derived equation number 3 from 2. So we will substitute in 1 now. It is, let us rewrite, 4P is equal to 3Q plus 5. So here we have to substitute for P. So 4 instead of P we will have Q minus 7 by 6 is equal to 3Q plus 5. So what we will do, we will multiply the left bracket by 4. So now you can see it will be 4Q minus, here 4 into 7 by 6, and on the right hand side 3Q plus 5 as it is. So you can see on multiplication I will get 4Q minus, here 2 2s are 4 and 2 3s are 6. So actually it is 2 into 7 upon 3. So 7 2s are 14. So 14 upon 3 we will get. 14 upon 3 is equal to 3Q plus 5. So what we will do, we will take Q on one side and numbers on different side. So 4Q, this plus Q will become minus Q here, and 5 as it is, and this minus will get added here. So 14 upon 3. So 4Q minus 3Q, only Q. Actually 1Q, no need to write 1. So here we'll calculate. So 5 3s are 15. 15 plus 14 upon 3. So Q is equal to, we will say it will be 5 plus 4 9 and 1 plus 1 2. So 29 upon 3. So you can see 29 is actually not divisible by 3.